I present myself. My name is Dr. Diatta. I am a soil science specialization working in the field of water erosion conservation. I am a researcher in ISRA. ISRA is a Senegalese Agriculture Institute, but I'm working in a collaborating program with Dr. Mati of Institut des Sciences de l'Environnement. So we are working together to protect soil, against erosion, and also try to help agriculture to find solution of to conserve the fertility of their soil for getting the food security in this area where population are using monoculture production of using peanuts in rotation with millet. So without using the fertilizer, so the soil become poor, and the yield also small to small is reducing. Yes, and our main objective is to regenerate the soil and to allow the good yield production.